get hit by some hail. See all the storm coming on the radar. So far it's been cold and rainy. Ripple Rock, getting ready to go right over the top of it. Here in about a minute or two. We're looking down the Seymour Narrows. Beautiful. Got a little nippy out. Anyway, Seymour Narrows was the spot where a large rock was sticking up right in the middle here. And a lot of shipping accidents happened here over the years. And then in the 50s, they set off the world's biggest explosion without a nuclear device. It was all TNT. So it's all clear now, and I'm not quite at slack tide yet, so I still got a bit of a current. But I'm zipping along at a whopping 3.8 knots. Once it turns, I'll get up to maybe 9 or 10 knots. So I'll be zipping along. Alright, look at this big guy. I'm making a cappuccino, and it just started boiling out just as this guy came around the corner. The radar's beeping away. As you can probably hear and see, it's raining again. Not much out here. No killer whales like all the books said. I want my money back. I can hear this one. Sitting there waiting, maybe they can see me around. Okay, we missed that whirlpool and that whirlpool. Oh, maybe not. Yeah. Whew, that was lucky. Whoa, that's a big one. Holy cow. Look at that. That's deep. Well, let's get away from the whirlpool. It's a gorgeous day. I thought it was going to keep on raining, but luckily it stopped. I'll do some exploring around the little islands. Well, today's going to be my first day fishing. Look what I caught. Well, he has a hook on the end. This thing is 6.5 ounces or something. It's pretty heavy. I did buy some fresh anchovies and stuff to use with this downrigger deal that I bought, but I think I'm going too fast, so I don't want to lose it. So I'm going to try this. It's good and heavy. It should sink. Wish me luck. A little higher than it is today when I came in. Otherwise, I would have hit something, which I couldn't see it yesterday when I came in. Sunken platform. You can see it right there. And this is right where I came in. Kind of over to the left a little bit. Came right in here. That would have been bad news. But I was coming in real slow also. Wow. If you can see it or not. All the little sea creatures. So I need to go up, way up there, and then around the corner behind this mountain. Should be awesome, except the weather looks pretty cruddy over there. As you can see, it's getting windy. Ah, it's gorgeous here. You can see the tide's out. It's probably a good 8 foot, 9 foot tide.